Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to do fire effect on CapCut mobile. So let's get started. First things first, make sure your two clips are ready. One clip of yourself or someone, and the other is the flame effect that we're gonna be using. So let's create a new project. And first import the video of ourselves or someone. I'm gonna be using the stock video as an example. Once you have imported your first clip, go ahead and click overlay and click add overlay so we can import our second clip, which is going to be the fire effect. Once it's imported, first thing you want to do is click splice so we can make the background go away. Here you're just gonna choose filter, and as you can see, the background has disappeared and we are left with our flame effect. We are almost done. All you have to do now is simply position the flame effect to the finger and add keyframes because we're gonna be changing the position of the flame a lot. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now, as you can see in the video. So yeah, just keep doing that until you are satisfied or you have reached the end of your video. After doing that, you should have something like this. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.